Last year, we bought this house, and for the past 5 months, we've been renovating it. And let me tell you, it's been extremely stressful. It's been so much drama that would make most of the people want to quit. We basically changed 3 contractors. We had multiple leaks in the house, and when we thought it can't just get any worse, our plasterer just disappeared. In this video, I will share with you all the chaos I've been through, how I'm fixing it, and mostly important, how can you avoid all this headache in your own renovation projects. Hi, I'm Greta, and behind camera is my husband Daniil, and together we are the Vnoutchkovs. And last year we started property investment with zero experience. And we always loved the property, and we just decided to take a step and make it happen. And the best part is we are recording all our journey in this YouTube channel. So if this is something that interests you, please make sure to subscribe. Welcome to the week 19 of this renovation project. Once we were thinking that we are actually approaching the end stages of this renovation project, we discovered new big issues. So just before Christmas, we discovered that the house has not 1, not 2, but 4 major leaks. We are standing right now what is currently our dining room, and the first leak that we discovered was the skylight above me. And basically what happened, when we came into the house, we saw that the whole window is dripping through brand new plasterboard, brand new insulation, and obviously the whole ceiling is just getting destroyed. So the reason what was causing it, basically the window was just not installed at the right angle, and it was not properly sealed. And despite numerous times we asked our contractor to install the window at the right angle, he tried to convince us that the window is installed at the right angle, and why the water is not dripping off of it, he said, oh, well, maybe it's just a cheap quality window. So obviously we discovered that the window was not at the right angle, it was not sealed, and that's what it caused the first major leak in the house. Obviously this was so frustrating for us. We were approaching Christmas, everyone was going off on holiday, and obviously this caused a lot of stress because we thought we can't leave this unfixed because it can cause further damage. So, despite numerous times of back and forward talking with our contractor about all the problems in the house, we just decided to let our contractor go. And this is our second contractor in this house that we decided to let it go. It just had too many red flags for us. And the worst part in it is that we actually did our research. We researched all the reviews and all the recommendations on this contractor, and they all were great. But obviously this size project is quite big, and we just started to see more and more red flags along the way. Small things that just was not correct, and he kept trying us to convince otherwise, and we thought we just had enough. When we saw the leak, obviously this was not the only leak, we saw multiple leaks in that week, and we were like, that's it, we had enough, we let him go. We brought in a new contractor that rectified all the mistakes. They fixed everything, and they reinstalled the skylight at the correct angle. They sealed it properly, and honestly, they fixed the plasterboard and the new insulation. And as you can see, we have all this kitchen delivery here, and obviously this was another big mistake that we made. So just before Christmas, this whole house was supposed to be completely done with plastering, and our previous contractor was planning to install the kitchen just between like a Christmas period. And obviously we got it delivered, and this is a lesson learned. We should have not done it until it's full plastered, because our plasterer just disappeared and he ended up not showing up at work. Obviously we contacted him, he was sick for a week, and then after another week he just didn't came back and didn't reply to the messages. So he wasted quite a bit of time for us, but Now the house is fully plastered. So what we done is we brought a new plasterer who had a team of 6 people. So they all came in and plastered the whole ground floor just in 5 days. And obviously this is amazing because we had no time to waste anymore. So let me show you around now what has been done in the house and how everything looks. So now we're starting our walkthrough from the back of the house. So we are in a living room, dining area, and obviously everything has been plastered. This is where it's gonna be our kitchen. Everything is ready for the second fix, so the electrician has to come in and install all the lights and make the house ready for decoration. Let me take you back here. So as you can see, everything has been fully skimmed, and obviously the house now is finally looking like approaching a nice stage. Like it does feel now like we're really getting to the finish line. So this is one of the bedrooms. It's been fully skimmed. The bathroom has been fully skimmed. And same in this bedroom, everything has been fully skimmed and the bathroom has been fully skimmed. So this is the progress in this floor. In few days, the electrician's starting and they're gonna install all the lights. Now let me take you upstairs. So we are at the first floor right now. As you can see, everything has been fully skimmed. The contractors started to install new doors. All the lights are in and everything is working. New doors going into the bathrooms, and shower trays are already in every single bathroom. Now let me take you to the rest of the rooms. This is one of our off suites. This doors has been installed as well. This is another great size bedroom, and you know the doors are going in. They're starting to install handles everywhere. So now the house is really starting to progress and take a shape, and I'm super excited about this stage. As you can see as well, they're starting to prime the walls for the paint everywhere. And yeah, so this room is where another major leak was happening, and obviously you can still see the wall is still drying here. So what happened when we came in, we saw this whole ceiling completely wet, this wall completely wet, and obviously we started to panic because we couldn't understand where the leak is coming from, because it's not that the roof is above it, it's another floor, and we thought that probably it's been caused by one of the pipes. We thought maybe one of the pipes are damaged and leaking. However, our contractors, they discovered that our previous contractor, when he was installing a roof tiles, the lead on the roof got damaged. When it was raining, that's where the water was coming through, and it was leaking through the side, all the way on this wall, on this ceiling, and through here. This was extremely stressful for us because everything was freshly skimmed, and our contractors has to open this whole ceiling to find the leak and to fix it, and obviously to change the plasterboard, and everything has to be reskimmed again. Extra money, extra work, and you know, extra time wasted. So That's not ideal, but I mean, it's been rectified right now, it's been reskimmed, and it's drying, and you know, we hope we soon can start to prime this whole room too. So now let's check the last room on this floor, and then we can head upstairs. So this is the last room here. Obviously we have a lot of building materials as well. It has been skimmed, it's dry now, all the lights are in, and obviously it's ready for primer to go on the walls. So let's go to the loft. So we are in the loft right now. Obviously this is the last 3 rooms on this floor. The whole floor now has been primed. So this is one of the bedrooms. So nice to see in this stage because everything looks just so much lighter, so much fresh right now. And then this is one more bedroom. This is another 2 leaks that we discovered on this floor. So one of the leaks was happening in the hallway at the top here, which is dry now and fixed. And then we had another major leak in this room. This is actually my most favorite room in the house. I said this many times. It's gonna be amazing size, and all the doors are installed and everything has been primed. But so talking about the 2 leaks here, you can see here on the wall as well, our builders, they have to open this plasterboard to investigate where these other leaks are coming from, and now it's being closed off and it's being fully plastered. You know, once you install a brand new roof, you're hoping that there is not gonna be leaks at least for upcoming 20 years. Not that you're gonna have 4 major leaks in the house, but looks like some of the roof tiles has been damaged while the previous contractor has been installing it. The work has not been done to the highest quality. So to be honest, we are reinstalling the roof. Our new builders, they're gonna rectify the mistakes and they're gonna fix it so we don't have any more issues like this further down the line, especially as we're going now to decoration stage. One big lesson that we learned and applied to ourselves, and that can save you thousands of pounds, is most importantly, never ever pay contractors before you investigated the job, before you make sure that it's all done to a high standard, it's all done properly, because you can pay so quickly and then they just disappear with that money and they will never ever gonna come back and rectify the mistakes. So the best way to do it is just to make sure everything is done correctly, and only then you pay, and you never just leave it without checking it how it's actually been done, because if you're not on top of it, it just can go wild basically. So here is the reality. Building your dream team takes time, and obviously people, they will test you, they will let you down, they're not gonna show up at work. This is so frustrating, but every day teaches you something new, and I feel like we're slowly getting there. We're building our power team. We have amazing electrician, we have amazing plumber team, and obviously we have a brand new contractor that so far performs really good, and we hope we can work with him on multiple upcoming projects. So here is a week 19 of our renovation journey, and it's been with a lot of issues, a lot of drama, but we knew it from the beginning that property development comes with a lot of challenges, and the key here is to keep pushing, keep working on it, keep learning, and keep building your dream team. So in the next video, I'm hoping to share more positive progress of this house as we are approaching the finish line and we are finally in a decoration stage. And don't forget to like and subscribe to follow along our renovation journeys. And if you would like to learn how we bought this house with zero of our own money, make sure to check out this video here. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.